This video will focus on the target. I can distinguish between chemical and physical properties. So when it comes to describing matter, a couple things we can describe about them might be what's happening chemically in terms of their chemical structure, or might be about its physical structure. So on the screen you can see a whole bunch of different ways we would describe matter. Some of them are classified as physical properties of the matter and some are chemical. So the main way I distinguish between the two are physical properties are anything you can observe about the material. Chemical properties, on the other hand, are there because of what elements and compounds are there and how they're bonded. So the only way to determine what chemical property there is of a substance is to actually chemically react it, see what happens, record the information. So physical is like color, shape, size, how shiny it is, its luster, things like that. The other thing about physical properties are there are some measurements that are based on the physical nature of the material, like its density, right? What is the amount of mass per volume, which is a constant for every substance and unique for every substance, what the melting points and boiling points are of those substances. So while we're interacting with the substance and heating it up to see what those points are, those are called physical properties because they don't actually have to do with the chemical bonded nature. It's about the IMFs. So melting points and boiling points are still considered physical properties. Chemical properties then, the things that you can observe about it chemically would be if something is flammable, that would be a chemical property. If it tends to rust, that's a chemical property. Whether it's reactive with water, whether it tarnishes, essentially how it interacts, whether it interacts with the air for a new substance being formed. Those would all be considered chemical properties of substances. Okay? That's it. Have a nice night.